Good morning, children. In the last English class, we read the poem about a little boy called Timothy Boone. And what did he have in his hand, children? A very big and round blue balloon. We read that Timothy Boone, along with his balloon, he was making the balloon fly, and the balloon went high, and Timothy was nodding his head telling this. And in the next stanza, we learned that Timothy Boone, he sent his balloon up in the skies. But suddenly what happened? A very strong breeze came and the trees were moving here and there. The bright moon was also rocking, and even the seas, the water of the seas was going up and down. And the strong breeze, the mirth, the laughter, the voice of the laughter of the breeze, it made the whole earth shake, shook the whole earth. Today we will be reading the third stanza. Timothy Boone and his balloon, caught by the breeze, flew to the moon, up past the trees, over the seas, up to the moon, swift as you please. And oh, I forget, they have not come down yet. Now children, we see that Timothy Boone and his balloon, suddenly the breeze, it caught them, and they moved with the breeze to the moon. They crossed the trees, they went from over the seas. So the sea, they went from over the seas. From above the seas, they went up to the moon. So where are they right now? They are on the moon. Timothy Boone and his balloon. Swift as you please. Swift means very quickly. The breeze was so powerful that the breeze took them very quickly. And oh, I forget. Now the poet is telling us that he has forgotten. What has he forgotten, children? They have not come down yet. Timothy Boone and his balloon, they have not come down yet. They are still on the moon. Now children, I will be sharing an activity, a very fun activity, but before that, let's revise what have we learned in this poem. We learned that there was a boy whose name was Timothy Boone, and he had a balloon. Now Timothy Boone said that he wants his balloon to go high in the sky. Now what happened? He sent his balloon up in the skies, and what happened suddenly? A very strong breeze, it started moving the trees, rocking the moon, tossed the great seas, and the breeze was so strong that it shook the whole earth. And in the last stanza, we came to know that Timothy Boone and his balloon, they were caught by the breeze, and they are now at the moon. And they went at the moon very quickly. And in the end, the poet tells us that he has forgotten to say one thing. What is that? That Timothy Boone and his balloon, they have not come down yet. Now children, I hope that you enjoy reading this poem. This poem is on page number 33 of your Oxford Inc. textbooks. I want you to read it very loudly along with your parents so that you can practice. Page number 33 and page number 34. Thank you.